Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been tracking this analysis on a pretty routine basis, and not only did it have a very solid day, actually, again, each of these represents 30 minutes. I bring that up because check out the final 30 minutes on the day. Nice surge in volume, and then got the nice green candle. So in other words, a breakout to end the day of that pattern. So you couldn't really draw up a better, end to the day as far as, the price action is concerned from a bullish perspective. So this, of course, brings about quite a few updates here. The first update, I'm going to just use this green line here. Sure, a dollar does still pertain to the chart, but it's not relevant anymore, so there's no point in having lines everywhere and risking causing clutter and confusion. So the ideal level of support now going forward, if you say, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be if the price can stay up above this point it just broke out from, and that is $1.90. With that being said, if the price does fall below $1.90, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price, like I said, can somehow manage to actually stay up above $1.90, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits right around the $1.60 mark. So $1.90, $1.60, two of the near-term levels of support. As I've talked about in the past, and I'm going to continue to talk about, it's all about that purple line, assuming you have a broader time horizon, and that is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are 100% in control of the chart. As far as levels of resistance, I'm not even going to touch on those because in my opinion, resistance levels don't really matter. Why do I say that? Well, what matters is the price just keeps on doing what it's been doing. And what has it been doing? Well, it's been building higher bases. So as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been, you picture these as stair steps, then everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows and then just sit back and continue to let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.